Mama Boo's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. I'm gonna start off by saying thank you so much, guys, for your support. I'm very grateful we have come this far, and I can't wait to share more recipes with you. With that being said, I'm very humbled and overwhelmed by your love, and I will keep sharing my recipes with you guys to share them with your families. We made it, guys, 3,000 subscribers within 1 year. Thank you so much. So today on Mama Boo's channel, we're gonna make garlic knots. So let's get started. You know Mama Boo doesn't like to waste time. This is the leftover dough that I used on the pepperoni pizza video. If you can go back, guys, you can see how I made it. Go check it out, guys. Mama Boo's best pepperoni pizza. Also, you can use a store-bought pizza dough. So let's get started. First things first, we're gonna start off by rolling our dough. We're gonna slightly flour our work surface and wrap the dough. Then place it on the flour. Sprinkle some flour on your dough. Using your fingers, pat it down. Coat the rolling pin with the flour and roll out the dough. What I'm aiming here is to roll the dough into a rough rectangle shape, just like so. Okay, I think this is the size that I'm looking for, guys. Slice the dough rectangle into strips using a pizza wheel, or you can use a sharp knife. It depends on what you have. If you like the video so far, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. Next, line your baking sheet with a parchment paper. Take one piece at a time and work it into a shape of a long rope, then tie it in a knot. I noticed some of my strips are long, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them in half. Just like so, guys. Then I'm gonna continue to tie them into a knot. Place each knot down on the baking sheet and repeat with the remaining dough. Be warned, guys, these garlic knots, they are so good, guys. So make twice as many as you think. You'll find yourself reaching for another without thinking. Make sure, guys, you leave space between the knots, because when they bake, they double in size. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cover with a dish towel. You can even use a plastic wrap and let them rise again until double in size, anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. I have my oven preheated to 400 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna bake this for 12 minutes. It's been 12 minutes, the knots are out. We gotta let them cool for 5 minutes. Next, we're gonna work on the butter. On a medium high heat, I have butter on my pan. I'm gonna melt the butter. Into my butter, I'm gonna add garlic powder, salt, Parmesan cheese, and chopped parsley. I'm gonna mix all this together just like so, guys. I have my garlic in the bowl. I'm gonna pour the mixture. Then I'm gonna toss everything together. There you have it, guys. Garlic knots. Share this video with your friends and your family, and please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my honey, bye my honey.